Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, it's 6:14, and I had a hamburger earlier, and I was trying to figure out what to do with the rest of this meat. Walter said he can go for some chili. I said I can make some hamburger soup because I want something savory. He said, I don't want no hamburger soup. He said I can go for some chili. Oh, good. I love chili. So that's what I'll be making today. Some chili with beans. Okay. I got all my stuff lined up that I'll be using. So I got hamburger meat. I got, how much is this? I got 2 pounds of ground beef, lean ground beef. Got this and another pack that I already used out of. So I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay. Y'all hear my car? He in there being spoiled. Okay. What's there? I'll be using my Thyme and table cookware. I'm going to cook on the back of the stove since Makai is here. Okay. Put this meat in the pot. I'm going to use this. I want a knife. I always smell it to make sure it's good. I like the meat in the tube. I used to wouldn't buy it because I didn't want to buy nothing I couldn't see. And I bought it, and I've been buying it ever since. It's always been fresh. Nice and red like it's supposed to look. Okay. So much meat I got. 2 pounds. So I'll be back when I'm doing something. But no, in the meanwhile, I'll be using this. I don't have chili mix, so I'm using the taco mix. It's interchangeable. But I'll be adding extra chili powder. This is the Mexican chili powder. I'll be adding extra granulated onion and granulated garlic to it. And a little bit of celery seed. Not celery salt, but celery seed. I'm going to add some of this jollof rice seasoning. This adds a delicious flavor. It seasons very well. You don't have to just put this in jollof rice. I add this in everything. I'm going to add a little crushed red pepper. And this pepper. And these the beans. I only got 2 cans of beans. So I'm adding some kidney beans and chili beans. Oh, and the salsa. Everything is chopped up in here. So I will be back. Okay. The ground beef is done. Since it was lean, there's nothing to dip out. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the seasonings in. 1 taco packet, since I don't have the chili packets. Another taco packet. Some chili seasonings, chili powder. I don't measure, I just shake. Some granulated garlic. Granulated onion, since I don't chop up nothing. And a little celery seed. I don't shake that in there. Oh, that's too much. 'Cause too much of this will make it bitter. I would say a pinch. I'm going to use some of this jollof rice seasoning. I don't shake it freely either. I would say half a teaspoon. And some crushed red pepper. Just a little. And you have to add water. Whenever you add those packets of seasoning, add some water. It's smelling good now since I add the seasonings. Getting off of that. Add these beans. And these red beans. I'm adding the liquid and all. 'Cause I like my chili to be liquidy like a soup. Pepper. Haven't added any extra salt. I do salt in the taco mix. I had some open, thick and chunky salsa, so I'm adding this. It has the bell pepper in it, it has the onion, it has jalapenos, all the stuff that you would chop up in chili. It's in the chunky salsa. And I'm going to taste. I want some more. Salsa. I'm gonna add some more liquid to here because it's thick and I like it kind of soupy. That's just me. Getting all this goodness out of here. Getting this goodness out these cans. I'm cooking with a wooden spoon. My honey's blessed me with tablespoon. Taste it. I need some more pizzazz to it. And some more jollof rice seasoning. It's kind of spicy, and it has salt in here. And a little more chili powder.
He said he wouldn't give that to a burn patient because Savory has chloride and he put them in some lactic acid filter. But I wouldn't give that because once you put the B5 in the dextrose, that gets taken up real quick. So that's all that'll be in their veins is water. Because the dextrose will move into the cells real quick and it doesn't need water in there.
I think it needs nothing else. I would like it more soupy than this, but I don't want to water it down. This is delicious. Okay, I'm going to take the camera off and let y'all see down in this pot. Is this on? Yeah. Okay, there's my chili. Look at that. And it tastes so good, yeah. See the chunks of tomato. I don't know if you can see the bell pepper or the onion in here or not. From the salsa. I like chili as much as I like the chicken. I love it. That's why y'all see me fix it so much. And some of y'all actually get mad because I fix it all the time. This is just me fixing what I like. Okay, I'm getting ready to dip up my nice savory chili. Look at that. Get a thumbnail. It didn't take long to fix either. Okay. Okay, here's my dish. Got some shredded Mexican cheese up in here. I got some of these Club Mini crackers and my savory chili. Okay, these are crackers I use instead of oyster crackers. We're all out of oyster crackers, so I had bought these. And these are good. Okay, y'all want to see me taste my savory chili. Y'all see the stain? Oh, it's hot. Look how he likes these crackers too. If you put some in the cup for him, he likes to cram all of them in his mouth at one time. I make some good chili. I make some good soup. It's supposed to be a taste, huh? One more again. See my cute cup. Got this from Walmart a while ago. It was on sale. Forgot how much it cost. It's the only one they had. This is the Pioneer Woman cup. These crackers taste kind of buttery. Okay. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.